How to make a TikTok account. Hey guys, and let's get started. Creating a TikTok account is a quite straightforward process and can be done easily using the TikTok app. First of all, download it from the Play Store or App Store, then tap on the profile which is on the bottom right. You can choose any option such as phone, email, username. First of all, tap on sign up. Then you will see three options: email, Facebook, Google, or you could directly use via the phone number. For today, I'll be using continue with Google option. Just tap on it and you should select the email that you want to use. This will now first of all verify your Google account, and then now you can set up your profile. You'll have to now add a profile picture, username and bio. And once your profile is set up, you can start exploring TikTok, follow other users and create your own videos. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And in case of any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching.